Boost your business vocabulary, exploring common prefixes. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to delve into a fascinating aspect of English language learning: prefixes in business vocabulary. By mastering these prefixes, you can enhance your understanding of business terms and sound more professional in your interactions. So, let's jump right in. Before we start exploring common prefixes in business vocabulary, let's briefly discuss what a prefix is. A prefix is a group of letters that we add at the beginning of a word to change its meaning. For example, in the word unhappy, un is a prefix which changes the meaning of the word happy to its opposite. Now, let's take a look at some common prefixes you're likely to encounter in business vocabulary. 1. Co. This prefix implies partnership or joint action. For instance, coworker, co-founder. 2. Multi. This prefix suggests many or multiple. Examples include multinational, multi-purpose. 3. Over. This one suggests excess or being more than is needed or normal. For example, overproduction, overspend. 4. Re. This prefix implies again or anew, indicating a repetitive action. For example, re-evaluate, reconsider. 5. Under. This prefix suggests insufficiency or less than is needed or normal. For instance, underestimate, underpay. Once you've got the hang of these prefixes, you can start incorporating them into your own vocabulary. But remember, context is key. Use the prefix that fits the meaning you're trying to convey. For example, if you're talking about a business that operates in many countries, multi is the appropriate prefix, multinational. That wraps up our exploration of common prefixes in business vocabulary. I hope you found this video helpful and now feel more confident in using these prefixes. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to use these in your day-to-day business interactions. Keep practicing, keep learning, and I'll see you in our next video.